Thomas. They want Thomas to get that sixth last foul of Alexander, and Thomas connects.
But you know, Chris Alexander, he's gonna mix it up. Sometimes he's gonna challenge it. Sometimes he's gonna go up there. Alam ni Chris Alexander, masyado pang maaga. He's just gonna keep his body between Stephen Thomas and the ring at this point.
There's that double team on Menk, and that's a reach and foul against Arboleda. Third personal against Arboleda.
And again, Willie Arboleda, more fouls than points in this game.
Just a 5-point game in favor of Ginebra. Stubit sits down. Pagana is in the game, joining Menk, Alexander, Artadi, and Kagiwa. Alexander on the verge of fouling out with 5 personal fouls. Here's Pagana on the left side, 7 to shoot. Pagana on the move, finds Artadi. Artadi with a basketball with 3 on the shot clock. Pagana has to shoot, but there's an offensive foul.
So it's going to be on Paul Artadi. So, etong Barangay Ginebra, Miko, etong fourth quarter na to, hindi pa sila nakaka-shoot. And they are not getting good attempts at the basket. And sometimes, hindi ba sila nakaka-attempt dahil turnover na ginagawa nila.
Here's Ranidel De Ocampo. He's going to attack. He fires and scores. And don't look now, it's just a 3-point game.
At this point, Barangay Ginebra needs a basket. And Willie Arboleda gives up another foul. Masakit po sa mga foul na yun, Vigo, para sa Air 21. Those are not good fouls. Really not going anywhere. Guys that have mid-court. And you can see Coach Bob Perasol sending back Egay Billones because he is not happy with how Willie Arboleda has been setting up the team.
So 30-second timeout here for Ginebra with 9:06 remaining here in Game 7. Air 21 trying to make a run here in the payoff period, trying to get back in this game. It's their first time to finish number 1 after the elimination round. It's their first time to clinch a semifinals berth outright, automatic. It's their first time to win a best-of-7 series in the semifinals. And will they win their first ever PBA championship after this game? We're going to find out.
Well, just don't ask the Ginebra fans because they know the answer as far as they're concerned.
Ube Republic inside the Big Dome, waiting for that one last push. Their team down by just 3 after trailing by as many as 13 points back in the third quarter.
Ito yung sinasabi natin sa fourth quarter, 4 na turnover para sa Barangay Ginebra. Coach Joey Chico forced to call an early timeout. He wants a nice set play and he wants to score.
Here's Kagiwa on the move. You know, you can really see Kagiwa does not have the lift.
Exactly. And but even if he doesn't have the lift, or he may lose a step or so, he's still quicker than some of the guys in the PBA. And I'm sure he's a lot quicker than most guys in the park.
Including you and me. Kagiwa's better than you and me. These are Kagiwa tuloy. My Phone Dual Life Player. Atid sa inyo ng My Phone, 2 SIMs, 1 phone. Mark Kagiwa somehow finding the way to score in double figures with 10 points, and that will keep Air 21 at bay, 74-69. Artadi and Billones nagkukulitan sa backcourt, and Artadi too sticky for his own good.
They eventually had to call that foul because Paul Artadi was already pulling the hand of Egay Billones. He has the shirt this time around.
Yeah, I'm sure at some point nagsama to sa beer food.
Oh, yes.
Pretty sure of that. And here's got it lid. And it's just a 3-point game. 74-71.
Sorry, Miko, but you know, I felt that Air 21 needed a big quarter if they want to win this championship, and they are having a big quarter so far dahil meron na silang 8 points a quarter nito and only 3.5 has gone by.
That's on Ranidel, that's his 5th. Ang 5 laban kay Ranidel De Ocampo. Kaya pareho na sila ni Chris Alexander. One foul away from leaving the game. Here's Kagiwa. Fighting through the pain. Missing that shot. Thomas erases that shot, but a whistle is blown.
Well, Thomas is just gonna smile about that one. They have got a lot of ball, pero titingnan natin kung yung katawan tumama ba dito kay Eric Meng. Because he got Eric Meng's number that time around. Nagsawa na siya. Kanina pa sumusot sa ilalim to ah. Right there, a miss on the part of Mark Kagiwa. That's a lot of ball and maybe a little body.
Not really the best angle to see that, but of course Air 21 might have a debate there. So Eric Meng goes 2 out of 2, and now he has 18 points. Show the way for Ginebra, up by 5. Here's Gary David. So if you're 21, this is the man you want to score, the man you want to get going. Gary David, Homer said with nowhere to go.
Homer Shea got the offensive rebound. Let's see what happens here. Oh, maybe two balls that could have made a big difference right there. If you're an Air 21 fan, you're going, well, that should have been a foul. But of course, if you're a Barangay Ginebra fan, you're saying, wala na una eh. Nauna yung bola eh. But they're probably not so loud.
But Chris Alexander dodged the bullet right there. Meantime, here's Gary David from the corner. And the Air 21 really knocking on the door here, down by just 2 with that PM press. 18 points for Gary David.
You know, where will Barangay Ginebra go this time around?
And Arwin Santos with a steal. And Arwin Santos will tie the game.
That's a big steal. Momentum on Air 21, but if you're Barangay Ginebra, Coach Joey Chico a little worried because some guys are starting to hang their head down. It's still a tight ball game at this point.
Under 7 minutes to go. Kagiwa for 3. In and out. Alexander, putback is good. Lead is back with Ginebra.
Dito si Chris Alexander dumating sa Barangay Ginebra para isalba yung season nila. That shot right there just stemmed the biggest rally of Air 21.
Meantime, here's Gary David. Turn around, no go. Billones! Bernard Billones with $1 billion shot.
Business is picking up here at Araneta. Parehong koponan, they're raising the level at this point.
Closing in on the halfway mark of the payoff period. Here comes Artadi. Fires, scores! 8 points for Kid Lightning, Paul Artadi. And it's a furious exchange of baskets here in the 4th quarter. That's going to be last touch on Pacana.
We haven't mentioned his name a lot, but Chris Pacana doing a hell of a job on defense. He has had the tough matchups, but he has taken it on.
Now Mark Kagiwa will take a breather. And you know he needs it. He's huffing and puffing back to the bench. Ronald Tubin checks in at may 30-second timeout para sa Air 21 Express, who have battled back here in the second half. Although full timeout now, 6:01 remaining, 2-point game. Back inside the big dog, PK Billones just made a big jumper to tie the game at 80. Here's Artadi. That's a traveling violation.
Dito, para sa Barangay Ginebra, ang dami nilang mga mental mistakes. This is what I was telling you, guys.